Some rooms in your home just never seem to feel quite right. Maybe they're too cold in the winter, too warm in the summer, or difficult to keep comfortable no matter how you adjust the thermostat. For homeowners in Washington, where temperatures and weather conditions can vary throughout the year, these problem areas are common. Fortunately, custom windows offer a tailored solution that can significantly improve comfort in hard-to-heat or hard-to-cool rooms. Unlike standard windows, custom windows are designed specifically for your home's unique dimensions and needs. This precise fit plays a major role in improving comfort. Poorly fitted windows often leave small gaps around the frame, allowing air to leak in and out. In rooms that already struggle with temperature control, these leaks can make the problem worse. Custom windows eliminate those gaps, creating a tighter seal that helps maintain a consistent indoor environment. One of the biggest ways custom windows improve comfort is through better insulation. Many hard-to-heat or cool rooms suffer from poor thermal performance, often due to outdated or inefficient windows. Custom windows can be built with advanced features like double or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings. These elements work together to reduce heat transfer, keeping warm air inside during colder months and blocking excess heat during warmer periods. In Washington homes, where damp and chilly conditions are common, this improved insulation can make a noticeable difference. Rooms that once felt drafty or uneven in temperature become more stable and comfortable, allowing you to enjoy your space without constantly adjusting your heating system. Another advantage of custom windows is the ability to choose the right style for specific problem areas. For example, casement windows can provide a tighter seal and better airflow control, while picture windows can reduce drafts in rooms where ventilation isn't a priority. By selecting the right window type for each space, you can address comfort issues more effectively than with a one-size-fits-all approach. Natural light also plays a role in comfort. Rooms that feel cold or uninviting often lack sufficient sunlight. Custom windows can be designed to maximize natural light, making spaces feel warmer and more welcoming. In Washington, where overcast days are common, increasing daylight can improve both the physical and emotional comfort of your home. Ventilation is another key factor. Some rooms become uncomfortable because air circulation is limited. Custom windows allow you to incorporate operable designs in the right locations, promoting better airflow throughout the space. This helps regulate temperature naturally and reduces reliance on mechanical heating and cooling systems. Another benefit is improved moisture control. In Washington's climate, excess humidity can make rooms feel colder and less comfortable. Custom windows with proper sealing and materials help prevent moisture from entering your home, reducing the risk of condensation and dampness. This creates a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment. Noise reduction can also contribute to overall comfort. Rooms that are exposed to outdoor noise can feel less relaxing, especially if you're trying to rest or work. Custom windows with insulated glass and tight seals help block outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful space. Energy efficiency is closely tied to comfort as well. When your windows perform efficiently, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain the desired temperature. This not only lowers energy bills but also ensures that your home stays consistently comfortable throughout the day. Customization also allows you to address specific challenges in your home's design. Whether it's an oddly shaped opening, a room with high ceilings, or an area that receives direct sunlight, custom windows can be tailored to meet those needs. This level of personalization ensures that every room in your home performs at its best. Professional installation is essential to achieving these benefits. Even the best custom windows won't perform properly if they're not installed correctly. Experienced installers ensure a precise fit, proper sealing, and optimal alignment, maximizing both comfort and efficiency. Ultimately, custom windows provide a targeted solution for rooms that are difficult to heat or cool. For homeowners in Washington, They offer a way to transform uncomfortable spaces into areas that feel balanced, inviting, and enjoyable year-round. If you're struggling with inconsistent temperatures in certain rooms, upgrading to custom windows can make a lasting difference, improving not just comfort, but the overall quality of your home.